Hi bag builders, it's Diane from Spencer Ogg Sewing Patterns, and thanks for joining me. Today I wanted to introduce to you my new sewing pattern for the Sport Luxe Sac. It's an intermediate pattern on the easy side, but it's a reasonably quick sew. It comes with a full video tutorial to talk me through the whole thing. Really hope you're going to enjoy it. The bag itself is a tote that converts into a backpack. So it's great for going to the mall, to the office, for the commute home, even for the gym. They're really fashionable, this shape of bag at the moment, with the young, but they tend to use them in you know, an unlined version, and they tend to be a throwaway thing, yet they're all wearing them everywhere. So I thought, what better than to try and update it and upgrade it and make it into a fully lined, structured bag that we can use as an everyday basic. So fabric wise, you can use anything on this, medium to heavy weight. I've used furnishing fabric here. You can use canvas, cotton. I've got an oilskin version there for a man. I even made a version fully in vinyl, and it looks good in just straight plains. Mix and match with the fabrics. You can change the pockets to a different fabric on the front, change the facings to a different fabric just to give a different look. And one of the things that really brightens it up is the draw cords, which I found that you could buy quite cheaply on eBay and in DIY stores. I'd never heard of them before, but braided cords and marine cord, marine rope is a thing. Who knew? So there's an absolute plethora of fantastic colours and mixes that you can use, and they can really zing up a bag. My testers have been making these over the last few weeks as well, and we've got some great pictures to show you. You can make the Sport Luxe Sac as either a smart, structured look in PU or leather, which is great for the office, or make it in cordura and oilskin and leave out the fleece to give it a more relaxed, sporty feel. Carry it as a tote for a great look for the office or mall, or cinch in the ropes to close up and use as a really handy backpack for the gym or your commute home. The outside has a roomy zip compartment large enough for all your essentials, and inside is a big zip pocket for your valuables. It's a great bag for men too, made in cordura or oilskin for a beautiful rugged look. My husband already has his name on one. The pattern has pages full of colour photos and hints and tips for every step of makeup, along with a full-length sew-along video to explain everything in great detail so you can produce a really professional looking bag. I have a Facebook board for help and support with all my patterns. Please do join, I'm always around. Chat about bag making, post your pics of your creations. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel below. I regularly post free tutorials, and I really hope you like the look of the new pattern for the Sport Luxe. Look forward to seeing pictures of your new creations, and what are you waiting for? Go sew!